Angibingelele ibandla likaNkuluNkulu, ngibingelele nabalandeli bekhaya abangcwele. Imihla yonke sihlale sicabanga ngokuthi ikuphi sizobaphathela khona abalandeli bekhaya abangcwele. Nali ibandla lonkana sihlale sinakho ukufisa ukuthi emculweni ikuphi esingabaphathela khona. Namhlanje siphethe iCD ezothoba inhliziyo ezinkingeni naseyinqinambeni esisuke sikuzona, ezizosivuselela futhi ukuthi yilo nalo yakhumbula ukuthi kufanele ayithintithe bese ehambe eyobona uNkulunkulu. iCD u110 rand, iUSB u150. Singathokoza kakhulu ke uma ngase nisilekelele bafowethu, nathi sibe nomdlandla ukuthi sibuye siphindele siyokwenza njengenjwayelo. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi sibe nani ngoba siyazi ukuthi ngeke nisicekele phansi, ngeke futhi nisiyekelele, nizosilekelela kulomshikashika wethu. Ngithi ke uNkulunkulu azanibusise. Ningalibali iCD entsha ethi mangizise kuwe Nkosi u110 rand. Kanjalo futhi neUSB sesinayo futhi namhlanje u150 rand. Siyothokoza kakhulu ukuthi nisilekelele, uNkulunkulu anibusise kulesi sikhathi samanje.
Bathi alikhaya abagcwele batropile ivideo enkonzo yesivuno yesilalele basiphatheleni ekuthula mandleni ufana kagama lo. Welcome to Mosaic Music, a platform where we examine music ucula ugama, we break down numbers, we try and get the message behind the song. We basically give positive feedback or encourage, we inspire others. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. Ngithi, we have been waiting. Couldn't go on Konzo's phone, but I bought Konzo's phone to my house. Yeah, we are here. We are here. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Yo, hey, Yaband. What is up, bro? Sibuyile with another one. Meeting weird. Before I get into a lot of things, guys, Calabangol has dropped an album. Make sure to go and purchase USB or the CD. It's $100 CD, and then USB is 150. So make sure not to have your channel so that that's in Zulu ungaphuthelwa ngesilungu, but don't miss out. So anyway, before I get into a lot of things, make sure you hit that like button. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Share as well. Share to others, but feel to comment and subscribe. Yeah, I understand how good we are growing this for each and every single person. And ngama comment and ngama recommendation. Anywho, I was sent this link. But mfana sitropile ngathi yo, finally. So yeah, I don't have the title of the song, but for sure on my on my thumbnail the title ngiyibhalile, but as I'm recording this title bengana. Let me brace yourself. Nizomuzwa omunye ubhuti bathi white noise. Uzo understand why ngimbiza white noise. So without wasting you guys time, let's dive right into it. Sihle. Ngicela uqala ivideo. I just started. I just arrived. I have just arrived. Usuka nje. Oh, first word.
Zwile Nkosi ke.
Listen to that, bro.
Zwile Nkosi. Zwile
Oh, it's a song I like making fun of it. The tuba tuba. Duba duba. And you know, as we get for because we know so long time, you know, and I struggle so much. Like I struggle. Forgive me. I may not be able to pronounce the word and explain. You guys are going. Duba dub. I love the song, bro.
Zwile Nkosi. Zwile Nkosi. Zwile Nkosi. Zwile Nkosi
I say duba duba because I don't know what that word says. Ungoze, my entire family, my siblings, Sisila. Why I don't ask, I don't even know why I don't ask. But let me tell you one thing. Shazane, you listen to this song, bruv. Believe you me. So understand.
Zwile Nkosi. Zwile Nkosi
Izilenkosi lihlala inhliziyo. La ngiphela ukuduka, something. Duba duba. Ekhande nam sengicabanga umamzuza makagwaba. Why? I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Angazi, I don't know. So, Mama lo first part, I'm fine. And never I shot as a Mrs. Corner one on Oop. Right. One of my saying by excited. When I got my quabby sticky. When I got my quabby, I said, Teguin about to get down. Yeah.
ngiqondisele awe mfundisi shumayela imfizo awe mfundisi
Oh, she's gonna explain.
shumayela ivangeli awe mkhokheli izoshumayela
Whoever bega shutala understood the assignment. Apa batin gancha? Amara dog. Like, bruv, like, as sometimes now you have to sit down there and just be honest with yourself. Laban batlin. Ay, forgetting to evening. Forgetting to evening. Oh, reason why ngibiza uPutspuda ngo-white noise. Hey. If you've seen previous videos in Rectogo's Kalabadwen, you would understand. This man sings angazami. Bese wawusisihle and then kuba kanje lo munye alikhohle igama lakhe. Unelo kubuhle. Hey, somewhere lapha I forget. By two. I always forget that. Like, do you see this two? Law, she's new. Then there's the other one. And then kuna lo ngekho. Ngizongixolela. I forget people's names. Nyazi, sorry. Don't come for me. I'm sorry. I forget names. Mara baphelele bayi-4. 5. Wasikhona umshayi soprano ngimboni. 5. Ngibona mama umshayi first band. You put no good. Bebahleli bayi-3. 4. Plus no white nose ngapha. Kulezi khathi. Ay, barkala bangcala jo. Waka lafutha nkosi yami. Wayithunga. Anything enothimeni phakathi nje. Anything enothimeni phakathi nje. Ake ngiphelelele kumele uthi mina ayithathe yonke le nqola yakhe aze nayo ibeka lapha. Uzothi sekayibeke ngapha, hayi afike kuyona first lady uMamzuzu naye aze neyakhe inqola. Hey! Yabona, yo guys, hey, look, ne, lalani. Ngikwabile mina in my lifetime. And angakaphili isikhathi eside ne, but ngikwabile in my lifetime and ngizokutshela now. Today, namhlanje ingakhe. I don't know what's the date today, but today is today. Stay away from inkonzo zaseThekwini noGwaba. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. uGwaba kubelonga to inkonzo zonke ezazeNatali. So uzoyikhethela ke wena ke ukuthi yipi vibe oyithandayo. I understand. Mina nyaGwaba bafethu. Mara ngikutshela kusasa manje mangisekhala abangcwele. Bukela bobhuti baGwaba lapha ya. They made me look like angiyazi into engiyenzayo. That's when you know ukuthi these people right here invented uGwaba. I believe wholeheartedly ukuthi uGwaba ubuye Natal asivale. Onenkinga, go argue with yourself. Hamo argue nedlozi lakho, even your God, I don't care. And there is no, as in ngivale lento le bazothi ngibias. They'll say I'm biased. Bro. Uyangizwa why ngithi ubusibusisa ngimbiza ngo-white nose. Listen to this man. Guys, listen to this man. There's one thing you need to understand about ama-build-up, especially i-build-up ekhala abangcwele. Unlike most churches, ama-build-up abo, they are very quick. Ne, build up quick, they get there. I've reacted to. There is no church that will take its own time to build up Jane Calaban. I'm telling you. That is why you have to be patient when you are listening or you are watching videos like this. Because I'm a build up our fan. Some build ups are instant. Some build ups by four. La ikupoka kona iti. Yo! Kalabangale is one of them. It is one of them. They never rush. Nah, they don't rush anything. Not yo, my God. I'm not saying about rush, but I'm saying that when it comes to Kalabangale, be patient. Patient is what you need. Don't rush. Because why? Listen to this man. Listen to this man. Listen to your white noise. Oh my God. Listen to this man. This guy cooler from here. Hey! Jehovah! Hey! No, msindisi wami Nkosi yami. Hey, guys, When my job is hard. Hey. This was some. Nisho anifuna ukushadela eZion Buffett, like nisho. Hey. Listen, la part like. Khalabangele, please. Ngicela whatever music and songs enishutile ngenkonzo sivuno. Hey, ngathi ngiphuthele lapha. Ngicela ni-upload tu. Ngicela please. Please. Ngicela guys. Musana ukuncishana. Hayi nami senyalwa manje. Senyalwa. Musana ukuncishana. Sihle. Sisihle. Hayi. I never. Hey. Angazi ukuthi ngizenzeni bruv. I don't know. That was so smooth. That was so smooth, bro. That was so smooth. You see, guys. Ngicela reactor to video yase-Blessing, ne? And I was noticing something, and I said, Mawugwaba. Mawugwaba. If you are the person that's leading, it's your job. What I need to, I don't care. It's your job to see and to make sure that everyone follow. The way this guy puts everyone in check, bro, it's amazing to see. Because you teach, like, bruv, teach. Fundesa. Like, that's why I paused and I was like, because I was looking at it and I was like, wait. Aga, ut. Now, Mboni's call after. I'm like, yeah. I'm like, that's how you. Like, bruv, look, the way I'm directing corner, dog. I can't do that. I was like, again. Forget. I love such people, bro. I love people who are considered. I want this is it. He's him. Oh yeah. tech team leya ka team yena lo mjida. Nice. Like, bro, nice. Like, dog. Oh my god. This is high level. I didn't know. Other ways of ukusebenzisa isikhali. Hey. Guys, khona bangihlubulile mara story for another day. Power to the people. Nice. Uyibambile. Madoda. I was legit about to say that. I was about to say that. I was about to say, I was about to say that. I was like, look, bro. Ngisanitshela namanje. It's something. I don't think amabandla amabhaya do that. That is why I am yet to see upresiding ogwaba nesifutho sakhe. I am yet to see. So long ngiqalile le channel. So long ngiqalile. That's what makes iKhalaba Ngcwele stand out like that. Each and every church has their own uniqueness. This is the uniqueness eKhalaba. Ngisathi ngizobuza ngithi uBamzuza why angekho. I was about to say it. La ngithi ngikhuluma khona wavela. Hey. Uyadla ngeke asala. Itaxi biziwe banoyilandile. Ne imoto iyeza. Isitimela ngapha. Khetha wena. I was about to ask myself, aus. Bafethu. Forget. God. I'll call. That's the best news. One guy, Jamar. Why are you like this? As I'm like, oh, Baba Bzus. I was like, Nyazda, Kasan. Akafuna ukusana. That's why I was like, my guy look, I was like, for some reason, in Mamzuza Senyambon. Yeah, they are the most. I remember the first time. The first time working consoles phone. Bengakabi no white, bruv. Bengisafaka blue. Bruv, umengale. Bekumamzuza nobabzuza. I'm like, they leading ukwaba vele. I'm like, I've never seen something like this. Apart from the branch that I'm at. No. Apart from that. Just that. Hey, to me it was foreign. I was like, so I ngisho. Hey, uploading my video. I want more videos, pal. Understanding, must understand the context, pal. I understand. So anyway, yo, Jobang Shil. I'm at details for you to find out more. I will leave them in the description below. I will leave their Instagram link and also their TikTok. Yeah, so you can DM either or for the album. Go to Ngaithola Kanjani for more information. So, yo, in the favorite rate of Street Jupiter. Adios.